Every legacy begins with a spark. For ceramic industries, that spark was a vision that South Africa could build its own world-class ceramic industry. In 1969, entrepreneur Giovanni Ravazzotti opened the first Italtile store. At the time, most tiles were imported, but Mr. Ravazzotti believed South Africa could manufacture its own for local homes. In 1976, the Samka floor tile factory opened, turning local clay into tiles for the nation. A bold step toward building a homegrown manufacturing industry. Rosina's dedication helped set the tone for future generations.
I've started to work at Samka Tiles on the 25th of June at 1979. I was the first woman at Samka. I was picking the tiles with my hands because there were no machine.
Proving that skill, resilience, and pride in local industry mattered.
If you want to win this factory, working together, you can win. To be a strong woman, you must work hard, you must trust yourself and tell yourself to say, I can do it.
By 1985, the foundations were firmly in place, from a single retail store to a growing tile factory. South African clay had become the heart of a local industry, built by the people who believed in it. A dream sparked in 1969, fired into life by vision, innovation, and the people who made it real.
In my view, is the people. That's what is the driving force behind ceramic industry.